Hello friends, today in this session of vector product we will study the vector products of vectors. So we know that the three axes are perpendicular to each other, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now we keep the right hand such that the finger wrinkles towards the y-axis, finger moves towards the y-axis. Then the thumb direction will be upward side into the z-axis. And so this concept gives us about the idea of the vector product. Here, if the two vectors x and y cross product we take, then the direction of the resultant vector will be perpendicular to x and y. And so, we can say that the vector of product of two non-zero vector a bar and b bar will be given by a bar cross b bar, which will be magnitude a bar dot magnitude b bar dot sine theta, where theta is the angle between the a bar and b bar. Now if we take the perpendicular of the a bar and b bar, then a bar, b bar and n bar forms the system of right hand system, and so we can say that a bar moves towards the b bar, then direction is n bar. Now if a bar or b bar is equals to 0 we take, then a bar cross b bar equals to 0. That is means we can say that theta equals to 0 or pi. Now some observations we can take. A bar cross b bar gives us direction, so a bar cross b bar is a vector. If a bar cross b bar equals to 0, if and only if theta equals to 0 or pi, means direction of two vectors are parallel or collinear. So we know that the vector itself is a collinear with itself or in opposite direction itself. So a bar cross a bar will be 0, and if opposite vector we take, then a bar cross minus a bar, that will be also 0 by this concept. Now if we take the theta equals to pi by 2, then here sin pi by 2 equals to 1, and so a bar cross b bar value will be magnitude a bar dot magnitude b bar. So now we know that a bar dot cross a bar equals to 0 and a bar cross minus a bar also equals to 0. So we can take that I caret cross I caret also be j caret cross j caret and k caret cross k caret is equals to also 0. Now we also studied if a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other, then their cross product will give to the perpendicular direction of a bar and b bar. So x axis represent I caret, here j caret and here k caret unit vector. So we can take that I cross j we take, then it will give k caret to us, j cross k we take, then its perpendicular direction is the I caret, and if k cross I we take, then its perpendicular direction will be j caret. Now also we have studied that a bar cross b bar equals to magnitude a bar magnitude b bar sin theta. So the angle between two vector a bar and b bar with the cross product we want to calculate, then we have to calculate sin theta equals to magnitude of a bar cross b bar upon magnitude a bar into magnitude B bar. Now A bar and B bar are two perpendicular vectors. Then this theta angle is between them. Then we move towards A bar towards B bar. Then we will get upward direction. Its normal, that will be n bar. And so we can write A bar cross B bar equals to magnitude A bar magnitude B bar sine theta n caret. But if we move towards the B bar to A bar, means theta will be calculated from B bar to A bar moving. Then B bar cross A bar we will write, and on that time with the right hand system the n bar will be perpendicular but downside, means opposite to n bar, and so we can write that will be n bar equals to minus n bar here for the B bar cross A bar, and so here n1 bar we take, then n1 bar equals to opposite direction of n bar, so n bar, and so here we can write minus A bar dot minus B bar sine theta n bar, and so we can say that A bar cross B bar is equal to minus B bar cross A bar, and so we can say that the vector product is not a commutative. And using this, if I caret cross j caret gives us to k, then j caret cross I will give us to minus k. Same way, if j caret cross k caret gives us I caret, then k cross j will give to minus I direction, and k caret plus I caret gives us the j caret, then I caret cross k caret will give us to j minus j. Now area of triangle whose adjacent sides are A bar and B bar. So we take a triangle ABC where angle A is the theta. AC vector is the A bar and AB vector is the B bar. And CD perpendicular we take, then we know that area of ABC will be given by 1 by 2 AB into CD. So AB already given magnitude B, so AB equals to magnitude B. But CD magnitude we want, then the angle is the theta, and this hypotenuse we take, then we can take that sin theta equals to CD by AC, and so sin theta equals to, we can take that CD into magnitude A bar, and so CD equals to magnitude A bar sin theta, and so here we submit the value, then 1 by 2 A bar B bar sin theta. So this value gives us the A bar cross B bar, and so we can take that 1 by 2 magnitude A bar cross B bar. And so area of any triangle whose adjacent sides are A bar and B bar, we can take 1 by 2 A bar cross B bar. Now with this we form the parallelogram, and we know that in parallelogram two congruent triangle we get, and so area of the parallelogram is there ABCD. Then here DM is the altitude. Then with the same concept we can get double of area of these, and so area of parallelogram ABCD will be only magnitude A bar cross B bar. Now we will see distributivity of vector over addition. So clearly we can write a bar cross b bar plus c bar. So we can write here a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. Also a scalar multiply with the a bar cross b bar, then we can write lambda a bar cross b bar or a bar cross lambda b bar. Now a bar n is equals to a1i plus a2j plus a3k and b bar equals to b1i plus b2j plus b3k. Then a bar cross b bar calculation we can also do by I caret j caret k caret a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3. These components we write into the matrix form and we solve this determinant. Then we can get the a bar cross b bar answer. We have example 20 to find a bar cross b bar magnitude, where a bar equals to 2i plus j plus 3k and b bar equals to 3i plus 5j minus 2k. So a bar cross b bar we calculate, then ijk 21335 minus 2 determinant solution. So I caret into minus 2 minus 15 j into minus 4 minus 9 and plus k into 10 minus 3. So which will be minus 79 minus 13j plus 7k, and so magnitude will be a bar cross b bar here minus 17 square minus plus 13, so plus 13 square plus 7 square, so it is 289 plus 169 plus 49. Its addition will be 507. So magnitude of a bar cross b bar is under root 507. Now one more example is there. Find a unit vector of perpendicular to a bar plus b bar and a minus b bar, where a bar is I plus j plus k and b bar is I plus 2j plus 3k. So first we need to calculate a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. So a bar plus b bar 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, so 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and a bar minus b bar 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, and so a bar minus b bar 0i minus j plus minus 2k. Now a vector perpendicular to this both means in this both cross product we have to take. So cross product we take, then ijk 2 3 minus 4 0 minus 1 minus 2, which we simplify. Then we vector, if this vector we say as c bar, then we can say that c bar equals to minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k. Now we want unit vector. So unit vector we know that c caret equals to c bar upon magnitude c bar. So magnitude c bar we calculate, then under root 2 square 4 plus 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4, and so it is root 24, which is 2 root 6, and so c caret equals to c bar upon magnitude c bar. So 1 by 2 root 6 bracket minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k. Next example, we have find the area of triangle ABC having vertices A111, B123 and C231. So here triangle has two sides AB and AC. Then its area of vector will be given by 1 by 2. Area of triangle will be given by 1 by 2 module AB cross AC. So we bring the position vector of AB and AC. Then 1 2 3 minus 1 1 1, that will be 0 1 2, and 2 3 1 minus 1 2 3, that will be 1 2 0. And so AB cross AC we calculate ijk 0 1 2 1 2 0, which we simplify. Then we get minus 4i plus 2j minus k. And so magnitude AB cross AC will be given by under root 16 plus 4 plus 1, and it will be under root 21. And so area of triangle ABC equals to 1 by 2 root 21. Next we have find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 3i plus j plus 4k, b bar equals to I minus j plus k. So area of parallelogram will be given by magnitude of b bar cross b bar. So a bar cross b bar equals to ijk 3 1 4 1 minus 1 1, which we simplify. Then I into 1 minus minus 4, so 1 plus 4, j into 3 minus 4, so j, and k into minus 3 minus 1, so it is 5i plus j minus 4k. And so a bar cross b bar we will get 5 square 25 plus 1 plus 16, which will be root 42.